What's up, YouTube? Today I want to make a quick review on this Mossberg Patriot night train 308. So it comes with a fluted barrel, which means it heats up faster, but it also cools down faster, which is a nice feature they put on this rifle. The barrel is also free floated all the way to the back, which is nice in some ways. Comes with this detachable magazine, holds about 4 rounds. Came with this Coldwell bipod. In stores it'll run you about 40 to 50 bucks. And it's a good bipod. It's not the best, but it does its job. Bolt is also fluted, which is nice. Overall, it's a nice rifle. It's very accurate. Next thing I want to talk about is the scope. The original scope that came on it was a Barska scope, 4x16 50, I believe the optics were. It was an okay scope. I mean, I didn't like it very much. The sights weren't as clear. Turrets were like really hard to turn, so I ended up replacing it with this Hawk Sidewinder 30, which will run you about 500 bucks. I mean, this thing is sweet. It's got a 1/2 mil dot for your reticle, which lights up. So I'm going to turn it on and see if we can see anything through it. Alright, let's see. Here we go. You got red and green. Which is nice. These turrets are real nice too. Lift up on them. Get your zero in. I ended up going with these 30mm Boris rings. I've paid just under 100 bucks for them, and they're guaranteed to last for years. You never want to go with cheap rings. And they're real nice so far. I haven't had any issues.